Murmur is the abnormal heart sound that occurs due to the turbulence of blood flow. There are two types of blood flow. The pathway of the blood is two types, that is laminar and then turbulence. Okay, laminar means the straightforward flow of the blood, and the turbulence means the backward. It goes straight forward and that curves. That is called turbulence type of blood flow. Okay, so murmur. There are two types of murmur, that is diastolic murmur and systolic murmur. Okay, so before talking about the types, first we learn about the causes of the murmur. So what are the causes of the murmur? There are two types mainly, that is stenosis and the regurgitation. Stenosis means incomplete opening of the valve, and regurgitation means incomplete closing of the valves. Okay, so there are four types of valves normally. So that is tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, and then aortic valve, and then pulmonary valves. Okay, these both valves is called semilunar valves, and these are called AV valves. Okay, so now type of murmur. Okay, diastolic murmur and systolic murmur. So what type of stenosis and regurgitations fall into the systolic or in the diastolic? So in case of systolic, aortic stenosis, pulmonary stenosis, tricuspid regurgitation, bicuspid regurgitation occurs. And in case of diastolic murmur, here aortic regurgitation, pulmonary regurgitation, tricuspid stenosis, not regurgitation, and bicuspid stenosis. So for talking about the stenosis and the regurgitation, how this falls under the systolic and diastolic. For this we have talked about the